Why are Stickman Animation channels growing so fast in 2026? Just take a look at some of the channels on your screen right now. Many of them are getting millions of views, and several videos have already crossed the million view mark. The best part is that most of these channels use a very simple Stickman animation style. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a complete Stickman Animation YouTube channel from scratch. We'll cover everything step by step. Today, I'll show you the complete A to Z process behind them. Now, take a look at this channel. It's absolutely crazy. According to the estimates, this channel is generating around $54,900 per month. That's one of the highest estimated earnings I've seen for an AI-powered educational channel. Here's another example. This channel gained more than 400,000 views in just 7 days. What's even more impressive is that it has only around 127 subscribers and roughly 14 uploaded videos. Imagine getting that kind of growth with such a small amount of content. The secret is surprisingly simple. These creators aren't producing complex animations. Most of them are using consistent Stickman images combined with engaging voiceovers to explain concepts, stories, finance topics, and educational content. That's exactly what we're going to build today. These channels are fully monetized and operate in the education category, which is one of the highest paying niches on YouTube, especially when targeting audiences in the United States. So without wasting any time, let's get started. For this tutorial, I've already prepared a powerful master prompt that contains 8 complete stages. The link to this master prompt will be available in the description. First, simply copy the master prompt and open ChatGPT. If you want, you can also use Claude AI, but since Claude is mostly paid, I'll be using the free version of ChatGPT. Paste the master prompt and click Generate. The first stage will ask you to upload between 3 and 10 images from the channel style you want to recreate. Simply collect some sample images and upload them. Once uploaded, ChatGPT will analyze the images and identify the visual style, recurring characters, character consistency rules, and other important details. After that, stage 2 will appear, where you'll receive 10 niche options including documentary, history, biography, business, finance, psychology, and more. For this example, I'm choosing option number 5, which is finance. Once selected, ChatGPT will generate 10 ranked video ideas complete with titles, viral scores, hooks, and topic analysis. Simply choose the topic you like the most. For example, I'm selecting rank number 4. Next, ChatGPT generates a complete YouTube script. If you prefer the script in paragraph format instead of section format, simply type, "Please give me the script in paragraph format," and it will instantly convert it for you. Once the script is ready, type Approve. ChatGPT will perform a quality audit and move to stage 5, where it generates the master style prompt, character sheets, character consistency rules, and all the assets needed to maintain a consistent visual style throughout the entire video. After that, type Generate Scenes, and ChatGPT will create around 50 storyboard scenes based on your script while keeping the characters completely consistent. Then type Generate Motion Prompts, and it will generate detailed cinematic video prompts for every scene. Finally, Stage 8 provides everything you need for publishing, including SEO titles, thumbnail ideas, thumbnail prompts, descriptions, keywords, hashtags, tags, and pinned comments. Now that our planning phase is complete, let's move on to image generation. For image generation, we'll be using Leonardo AI. Simply open Leonardo AI and sign in. New users usually receive free daily credits. Click on Image Generation and select the GPT image model. Set your aspect ratio according to your video requirements. For YouTube videos, I recommend using 16:9. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the master style prompt along with the character prompts. Paste them into Leonardo AI. Then copy scene 1 from the storyboard and paste it below the style prompt. Click Generate. Leonardo AI will now create a high-quality image while maintaining the same character design and visual style. Once scene 1 is complete, repeat the exact same process for scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, and continue until all 50 scenes have been generated. As you can see on the screen, the characters remain consistent across every image, which is exactly what we want. After generating all the images, download them and save them to a folder. Now comes the exciting part: video generation, ready for YouTube. So make sure you keep watching, because the best part is coming next. Now let's move on to video generation. The first tool we're going to use is completely free and gives surprisingly good results. If you run out of credits, don't worry. What I usually do is simply log out of my current account and sign in with another Google account. Every new account receives free credits, so you can continue generating videos without any issues. For this tutorial, we'll be using the Hailuo 2.3 Fast model because it requires fewer credits while still producing excellent quality animations. Simply select the model, choose a 16:9 aspect ratio, keep the quality settings as recommended, and upload your first generated image into the Start Frame section. After that, go back to ChatGPT and copy the cinematic video prompt or motion prompt for Scene 1. Paste it into the prompt box and click Generate. That's it. Your video generation will start automatically. Depending on your available credits, you can generate multiple videos at the same time. As you can see on the screen, my first video has already started generating. It only takes a few moments, and the results are honestly impressive. The motion looks smooth, the character remains consistent, and the overall animation quality is excellent considering it's being generated with a free AI tool. Now let me show you another powerful option called PixVerse AI. In my opinion, PixVerse is one of the best all-in-one AI video generation platforms available right now. I've already generated several videos using this tool, and the results are displayed on your screen. The process is very simple. Just create an account, and you'll receive free credits to get started. Upload your image, go back to ChatGPT, copy the cinematic video prompt for the corresponding scene, and paste it into PixVerse. Keep the resolution settings appropriate for your project, and make sure audio generation is enabled if available. Then simply click Generate. Within a short time, PixVerse will create a fully animated video from your image. As you can see from these examples, the quality is surprisingly good. The characters move naturally, the scenes feel alive, and the final output looks professional enough for YouTube. I personally generated all of these clips using the exact same workflow. Once your credits are used up, you can simply sign in with another account and continue creating more. With the free credits provided, you can easily generate several professional quality scenes without spending any money. Now that our videos are ready, let's move on to voiceover generation. For voiceover, we'll use a simple text-to-speech website called TTS Maker. Open the website, select a voice that matches your content style, and then go back to ChatGPT. Copy your complete script and paste it into the text box. For this demonstration, I'm only generating a short sample, but for actual videos, I usually generate a full 8 to 10 minute voiceover, so the final video qualifies as long-form content. Once you've pasted the script, click Generate. Within a few moments, your voiceover will be ready for download. After downloading the audio file, we're ready for the final stage. For editing, open CapCut and import all of your generated videos along with the voiceover file. First, place the voiceover on the timeline and adjust the volume levels if necessary. Then start adding your generated video clips one by one according to the narration. Match each scene with the corresponding part of the script so that the visuals align perfectly with the voice. Continue adjusting and trimming the clips until everything flows naturally. If there are any extra sections, simply cut them out. If your generated videos contain a watermark, you can easily remove it by slightly zooming into the clip or cropping the frame. After that, add transitions between scenes, apply a few subtle effects, and generate automatic captions using CapCut's caption feature. Choose a caption style that matches your channel branding. Next, add a suitable background music track. For finance and educational content, I recommend using calm motivational music that is copyright-free. Keep the music volume low so it supports the narration without becoming distracting. Once everything is synchronized and looks good, review the entire video from beginning to end. Make any final adjustments, then export the project in 4K or the highest quality available. And that's it. Your complete Stickman Animation YouTube video is now ready to upload.
Both are 25 years old, both have the same education, both earn the same salary, both live in the same city, and both start with exactly the same amount of money.
Master Prompt already helps generate your script, scenes, motion prompts, SEO package, titles, descriptions, tags, hashtags, thumbnail ideas, and much more. All you need to do is follow the workflow step by step. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below telling me what type of AI tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.